Is how to fix if you are receiving repeated or duplicate notifications of your text messages on your iPhone. If you are facing such issue, the first workaround is tap on settings, tap on notifications. Here, scroll down and tap on messages. Here, scroll down and tap on customize notifications. And here, allow repeat alerts. Here, choose never. Again, the second one is again go to settings, tap on messages settings and disable first iMessages. Wait 2 to 3 minutes and again turn on iMessages. The next one is send and receive. Make ensure that tap on it and make ensure that no email and Outlook or any other mail or address are included in this list except your phone number. That's all.